Elon Musk's Twitter feed these days feels less like that of a tech billionaire and more like a running commentary on the collapse of Europe under the weight of unchecked migration. Anyone scrolling through his posts will notice a pattern. Every few hours, a new clip of protests in France, riots in the UK, clashes in Germany, or migrant led crimes in Sweden shows up. For a man who built rockets and electric cars, why this obsession with immigration? The answer lies less in spreadsheets and stock valuations and more in ideology, identity, and the chaos Musk sees unfolding in the West. Elon has never been a fence-sit on cultural issues. His libertarian streak often pushes him towards defending free speech, personal responsibility, and the survival of what he calls civilizational values. In his view, uncontrolled immigration is not merely a bureaucratic failure, but an existential one.
The mass immigration is insane and will lead to the destruction of any country that allows unfettered mass immigration. That country will simply cease to exist.
The demographic transformation of Europe, once Christian, relatively homogeneous, and culturally cohesive, now looks fractured, with parallel societies forming in cities like Birmingham, Malmö, and Paris. Musk amplifies these stories because they align with his own conviction that Western civilization, if it does not enforce borders and demand assimilation, will not remain Western for long. When he highlights the crime angle, it is not random cherry picking. He zeroes in on the kind of stories that expose the cost of progressive immigration policies. Take Britain's grooming gangs, where predominantly Pakistani men exploited young white girls for years while authorities turned a blind eye in the name of cultural sensitivity. Cases like the Rotherham scandal, where thousands of girls were abused, are exactly the sort of failures Musk wants his followers to confront. He also posts about knife attacks in Germany or riots in France led by second-generation migrants because they illustrate how imported communities, if left without integration, can destabilize entire cities. These are not isolated crimes, they are symptomatic of a broader breakdown. Musk uses his platform to connect those dots that mainstream media deliberately avoids.
We don't, this does not say that, I mean, I'm a big believer in immigration, but to have unvetted immigration at large scale is a recipe for disaster. So I'm in favor of greatly expediting legal immigration, but having a secure southern border so there's some vetting of who comes into the United States. I think this is just sensible.
Some argue that he is simply playing to his American conservative audience. But the sheer consistency of his posts and the fact that he has far more to lose than gain in elite circles by being so blunt suggests otherwise. Musk could easily stick to Tesla earnings, AI, or space launches. Instead, he risks the wrath of Europe's woke bureaucrats and America's progressive media because he genuinely believes that cultural survival is on the line. He sees immigration not just as a local policy debate, but as the front line of whether Western nations remain free, innovative, and prosperous, or collapse under balkanized tribalism. The motivation is not business, because illegal immigration offers him no profit. If anything, it threatens the very markets his companies operate in. Unrest in France or Germany hurts consumer confidence. A crime-ridden, unstable Europe is not good for selling cars or satellites. Yet Musk keeps hammering on this issue because it speaks to something deeper, the preservation of order, safety, and civilization itself. He believes that technological progress cannot thrive if societies themselves are unraveling. What Musk is doing is something most politicians won't. He is pointing at the wound and saying, this is where it bleeds. He sees what ordinary Europeans see every day. Women afraid to walk alone at night in cities they once called safe. Churches overshadowed by mosques. Law enforcement tiptoeing around communities where Sharia rules stronger than the state. And by amplifying these stories, he forces millions to confront the uncomfortable truth that mass illegal immigration is not enriching Europe, but eroding it. For Musk, this is not about cheap labor or diversity slogans. It is about survival. Survival of Europe as a civilization. Survival of America as a nation with borders. Survival of the values that once made the West the engine of progress. He is not after immigrants because he hates them. He's after uncontrolled immigration because he sees what happens when nations surrender their right to decide who enters, who stays, and who assimilates. And in his eyes, if that battle is lost, no amount of rockets to Mars will save us from the collapse of Earth.